Hey guys, welcome back to Dev Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how much I have earned from trading using Apollo Trading Bot and Bybit Exchange. Now, in one of my videos, I talked about how you can start step by step from creating an account with Apollo Trading Bot until you start making money. And also recently, I showed you how you can create an account with Bybit Exchange. I showed you how you can as well deposit money into Bybit Exchange using mobile money, and I also went on and showed you how you can use bank account. So in today's video, I want to show you how much I have made with Apollo Trading Bot with only some small capital that I had in my account. So without further ado, let's get started. Right guys, as I told that in this video, I am going to show you how much I earn from Apollo Trading Bot with Bybit Exchange. Now, if you don't know Apollo Trading Bot is a bot that you can use to earn money trading online. All you need is only to have an account with Apollo Trading Bot and any exchange, but I recommend you to use Bybit Exchange. It is the one that I am using for trading. So if I come to API here, you're going to see that I have connected it to only Bybit, and meaning my capital is seated in my Bybit Exchange, and profits also goes direct to Bybit Exchange. Instead of you doing direct trading with Bybit, you can use Apollo Trading Board. But of course, if you can as well trade directly from the exchange, please go on and use Bybit. The links are under this video description. Create an account and get started. Now, without taking much time, I want to first start by showing you how the day is. It is a new day. I am recording this video at 8 p.m. and of course, Apollo Trading Bot starts its own time at exactly 7 p.m. East African time. At 7 p.m. East African time, Apollo Trading Bot would have started a new day. Now, if we come down here to ranking and we tap on the ranking here, just as I am recording this video, people have already made thousands of money. Now, the top leader here has made $3,274.96. The second person has made $3,043.32. Then the third person has made $2,806. Then the last person in this list has made $14.89. The time is too young and people are really making money here. So that is the ranking for one day. Now, if we come and click on the monthly here, you can see that in 1 month, this person here has made $86,316.31. Then the last person has made $516. So that is how it is. Now, coming back to how much I made, you're going to come and we click on profits. Then from profits, we want only Saturdays. We tap on the Saturdays, and from the Saturdays here, you can see that I have also made $44.91. If we check on the 7 days, I have made so far $20.5. And since it is a new day, I have also made $2.3. My capital is small and I'm trading very many coins. So it is really moving well. No loss here. And if I tap on the Saturdays, you're going to see that I have some trades that I was selling on losses. As you can see, this is because I was using some strategy. But since I changed it to a different strategy, which is Apollo feature hedge strategy, I earned some good money. I changed the strategy from 8th of March 2026 is when I started trading that strategy, and it is really giving me good outcome. So you can see how much I have made. Now let me show you how you can set and the strategy itself. So you're going to come to the home page here, then you come down, then you come and click on features hedge. But before you do that, as I said, it needs you to have two accounts in different apps. The first app is in Apollo Trading Bot, then the second app is any exchange of your choice, but I recommend you to use Bybit exchange. Then the other thing is you need to have a capital in your Bybit exchange, a minimum of $5, $10, any dollars can work for you. Now, if you have that, you'll need gas. Now, if I come to my page here, you're going to see that I have my gas fee of $2,664. This gas fee is for $30, and that is what I have now. When you buy a gas fee of $30, they are going to give you 3,000 gas, and that one runs as low as 0.01 or 0.1% in every buying that you buy. Even if you make 100,000, no problem, but your gas will be chopped once, and it is according to the strategy that you're going to use. Now let's go back and I show you how you can set. Now if you're at home here, this is the strategy that I am talking about, that is features hedge. So you're going to tap on the features hedge like I have tapped. Now when it opens for you these coins, this is how I always trade. I'm going to range by tapping on the percentage here. As you see, 24 hours percent. If you tap on here, it is going to arrange for you according to how the coins are performing, from the poorly performing coin up to the best performing coin. So if you come down here, you're going to see that hype is doing well and bit, but all these other coins are really shorting. So that is the first way how I set. Now when I set, I will maybe buy this, but of course I am already trading that coin, so I cannot show you, but I can use it. I can use solve here. So when you select like I have selected, and you come down here to click on confirm. Remember, you can as well select even more than one coin, then you set them once, but I want to show you using one coin. So we are going to select like I have select solve, then you come and click on confirm. Then now from here, since you have small capital, change this one to 1. Remove the maximum order to 1. Leave initial position in $20. Even if you have $5, $10 in your Bybit exchange, just leave here like this. The profit amount, leave it the way it is. This one means when you have, when this coin makes for you $6 in profit, it is going to reset to start for you this coin afresh and buys again, and that is keeps doing it like that as long as you've set it in cycle. Then from down here, operation parameters or opening positions there, all we need is only to choose which position do we want to use. Do we want to use CTA break, shock, trend, or instant? But almost all of them are the same except trend. Trend always takes long to start, but instant, once you just open, you launch the coin, it is going to buy for you there and then. But break, shock, and trend will first wait, then now start. So you can leave here like this. Then down here in leverage, if you have small money, you can put it in 10x or 20x. Now this one means if you have $10, it is going to multiply $10 times 10, meaning you're going to trade with $100. But if you have good money like $100, just put it in 5x, 3x, or even 1x. Now, if you have $100, you can put it at 1x. Then you trade 2 coins or only 4 coins. Because when you trade in 4 coins, it means each coin is going to take $40. So that is how you're going to trade. Now, if you have small, like 20, 30, 10, you can put from 5 and above. Then the running mode, leave it in cycle or put it in single. When you put it in single, it means when that coin makes a profit and it sells, it is going to close and doesn't buy it again. Now these ones will be monitored by AI. So All we need now here is again to check on the strategy type. The upper ones here, as you can see, AI DCA. If you leave it here, it means it is going to be AI to monitor for you down here. Then if you click on DCA, it means you're going to be the one changing these settings. Then also AI grid, it means you want to leave it here as you are seeing mine. Then AI grid, also you're going to have these settings. So now you can see that with AI grid and grid, you don't have the other options, where if I click on DCA, you have this margin method, take profit, running mode. So that is how it is. So you're going to leave it here, then just launch the coin. Now when you launch, it is going to come here. It is going to come here and monitors for you the coin. If it says that it is now right for me to enter, it buys. When it buys, it sells, and you get your money. Guys, that is all I wanted to show you in this video. Guys, create an account and start making money with Apollo Trading Bot and Bybit Exchange. I remember recording a video telling you that there is no online money making way that is going to beat trading. We have several trading platforms and several online money making platforms, but trading is here to stay. All you need is to learn, be patient, take the small profits it gives you per day, and life continues. So guys, that is all I wanted to show you. Let's meet in the next coming video. Remember to subscribe, liking, sharing. We meet.